name is Maria and I'm a mathematician, and today we're going to talk about binary numbers made easy. So binary numbers are numbers that are in a base 2 system, and what we have to remember is that every place value holds a power of 2. So the first, like when you were a kid and you learned your place values, the ones value, I'm just going to write that down here, in binary notation is going to be represented as 2 to the 0 power, okay? And then your tenths place will be 2 to the first power, your hundredths place will be 2 to the second power, and so on and so forth, okay? So now, when we go to read a binary number, and they're all written in just ones and zeros, let's say we wanted to read the binary code 10, right? 0 is in the ones place. Well, we'll start with the 1, actually. 1 is in the tens place, so that's going to read as 1 times 2 to the first power, okay? Because the tens place represents 2 to the first power. So 1 times 2 to the first power plus, so you always add the binary codes, 0 times, this is in the ones place, so it's 2 to the 0 power. So now I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. 2 to the first power is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 2 to the 0 power is 1, and 1 times 0 is just 0. And then I go ahead and add these, and I get 2. So the binary code 10 is actually equivalent to the number 2, okay? We'll try one more example. If I have the binary code 111, all right, so now I'm starting out in the hundredths place. So the 1 in the hundredths place is going to refer to the square of 2, right? So that's going to equal 1 times 2 squared. Plus, the 1 in the tenths place is going to be equal to 1 times 2 to the first power. Plus, the last one in the ones place is going to represent 1 times 2 to the 0 power. So now I'm going to simplify. 2 squared is 4, and 4 times 1 is 4. Plus, 2 to the first power is 2 times 1 is 2. Plus, 2 to the 0 power is 1 times 1 is 1. And now I go ahead and simplify. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So the binary code 111 actually translates into the number 7. And there you go, that's binary numbers made easy.